Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make for you a banana pudding cake. This is a really simple and easy and delicious recipe that if you're going to have somebody that drops in that you weren't expecting and you want to make a dessert that's really nice, it's really an easy, simple recipe to do. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to buy a box of yellow cake mix and make it according to the directions on the cake. You're going to want to cool it down for just a little while, and then what you're going to do is we're going to poke some holes in the cake. Now you want to make sure that you poke the whole way down to the bottom, because we're going to mix a banana pudding and we're going to put them in the holes of this cake. And this will be a moist and really nice recipe to try for you. That, like I said, doesn't take a lot of time. So we're just going to randomly poke holes and go down to the bottom. And I love fruit cake, and this is one of those that if you like a banana and a yellow cake mix, you'll love this because it's real simple. All right, now we're going to go ahead and mix up the banana pudding. You're going to take 2 of the banana pudding and you're going to do 4 cups of milk. And then we're just going to whisk that together until it is smooth. Like I said, this is one of those recipes. We love banana flavored items in our house, so we're really gonna love this one. We've had it before and we love it. And it's real simple to put together, and it's not a complicated recipe. So if you need a quick dessert for something, or to take somewhere, or you just want to have it for your home to have on the, for your family, this is a good one for that. All right, I'm going to finish whisking this up, and then we're going to come back and show you the next couple steps. Okay, y'all, we're going to go ahead and pour our banana pudding over our cake. You're going to do the banana pudding according to the package directions, and you want to make sure when you pour this over that you can make sure that the pudding gets down into the cake. And then we're going to top it with our Cool Whip. All right, let's see, let's spread this over. Make sure we get some down in those holes. And then we're going to crush some vanilla wafers, and that'll be the cake. All right, let's make sure we get this down inside the cake. All right, now let's go ahead and do our Cool Whip. And you can put on the whole 8 ounces, or you can just use a little bit. I don't know that I'll use the whole container, but I may. It just depends on how much Cool Whip that you like. I just like a light layering of Cool Whip. So you can use whatever you prefer on this. And it's okay if it gets mixed in with your banana pudding. It'll be fine, because it's all gonna taste really good. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna keep this cake refrigerated, of course, before you serve it. You wanna refrigerate it probably for at least an hour, if not a couple. That way it sets up real nice, and it'll be a nice, fresh, moist, delicious cake. And like I said, it's real simple to put together, so it's not a lot of time that you're taking to do it. So that's another good thing about this recipe. It's an easy one to do. All right, get the rest of this Cool Whip. I am going to use the whole topping. This is an 8 ounce container. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put about 20 vanilla wafers in a bag, and you're just going to crush them up. I'm going to use a rolling pin to crush mine. You can do it however you want to do. And then you're gonna just put them on the top, and that's gonna be your topping for this cake. And there you'll have a nice, quick, easy dessert to make for your family or friends. All right. Let's get these crushed. I use my rolling pin here. And put them on the top. I hope that y'all will actually try this recipe. I think you'll like it if you like a nice fruit type dessert that has some easy ingredients. It's not anything real hard to put together. And let me know if you try it and how you like it. All right, let me go ahead and put these on. And that'll be our cake. But while I'm doing this, I hope that y'all will subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I hope that y'all will click on the bell to get notifications on upcoming videos that I've got. And I hope that y'all have a wonderful day. And thank y'all so much for watching.